Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back, I'm posting, I'm gonna be consistent. So in this video, I'm gonna be preparing for my upcoming semester for school. If y'all didn't know, I am in nursing school. This is my last semester of my pre-nursing classes. So in June, I get to start my core classes and I'm so excited. So if y'all are interested in seeing how I prepare for my semester, keep watching this video. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is going through all of my syllabus and writing everything down in my planner. And I really like using planners because they keep me on track and I can see what is due and all my assignments and when it is due, and it's like a layout for everything in the semester that I can like see. And this is the planner that I got. It's the Stargazer planner from Happy Planner. Then I'm gonna fill it out and come back and show you guys how I like to write things down in my planner and the type of organization system that I use. So I finished filling up my planner and it was a struggle. Hey guys, so this is the spread for February and all of my assignments are due on Sundays and then we have some discussions on Wednesdays, but as you can see I accidentally wrote all of them on Tuesday, but I'm gonna leave it like that. It'll just like motivate me to like get it done before Tuesday, and it'll be done before Wednesday, which is the actual due date. And on Thursdays and Fridays I have to do my replies to other people's discussions, and they want us to like spread them out so it shows that we're participating all throughout the week. Okay, and for each class I chose a different color. For the first color you see is this blue color, and that's for my cultural something class. I forgot the exact name for it, but it is a cultural something. And the pink color is for my critical thinking class or critical reasoning. I don't know the names of none of my classes, and that's not good. But yeah, it's critical something, and I decided to do that in pink. So you can see all the assignments are in pink for that class. And then my first year seminar is in purple. Hey you guys, so this is what like a weekly spread looks like in my planner. As you can see, I'm still keeping the color coordination with the purple, the blue, and the pink and orange for work. And on my weekly spreads I just put the days that I want to get things done and not when they're due. Days like this where I just have it blocked off in like a certain color is a day like I'm gonna focus on that class only. Okay you guys, so I'm just going to show you what I got as far as supplies for this term, which I didn't get much because I just recently got supplies like a few months ago. If you haven't seen like my video, it'll be somewhere up here. So the first thing I got was this big old pack of paper from Office Depot, and it is College Ruled, and it comes with 500 sheets of paper. And I do like going to Office Depot for paper because they have the big old packs like this. The next thing I got was 3 folders. I decided to get folders this term instead of notebooks because I'm at home and I usually don't fill up my whole notebook, so it feels like I'm wasting paper. So I just got a folder to put like my notes in and stuff. Next thing I got was a to-do list, and I do like using these just to fill out everything and list everything that I need to get done for today so I can like check it off. Okay, so the next thing I got was this little mini stapler, and it comes with a built-in stapler remover, and it comes with staples as well. And I decided to get this since I'm not going to have a spiral notebook. I'm going to need to be stapling my pages together so I can stay organized and keep everything together. So that's why I got this little mini stapler. The last thing I got was some paper clips. Okay, so the next thing I did did was set up my folders for this semester, and I only taken 3 classes. And in each folder, I just put some paper, and then I wrote the objectives or the learning outcomes for that week. So I just have week 1 and all the objectives for that week. And I am gonna try and do this every week so I can just open up my folder and know what I need to know for that week. And on this side, I'm just gonna put my lecture notes in there, any notes that I'll be taking or anything. The next thing I did was set up my textbooks for this semester. Was to put little inspirational quotes at the beginning of each chapter to keep me motivated throughout the term. Just went through my syllabus and seen all the chapters that we were going through for the class, and I just put any inspirational quote that I seen on Pinterest that I thought would help me and ones that I like, and I just put them at the beginning of each chapter. So the last thing I'm gonna do is pack my book bag for school. Even though I'm not going on campus, I still want to pack it. And this is the book bag that I have for school. It's so cute. It's like this nude pink color, and I love it so much. I'm ready for this new semester. I really hope you guys have a great semester and do well on all your classes. We're aiming for A's and B's this year. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.